spent most of yesterday out and about getting stuff that I need for the unit. I grabbed a load of stuff last night, I've put it in the boot. I've also got the lighting as well here, and now we're on our way up to the unit to meet Luke. Right, I'm at the unit now and I'm just waiting for Luke to arrive.
Hi there!
I'll let Luke tell you a bit about himself now anyway, while I go sort of shit out.
So I've been a knife maker for about 18 months. Started talking to Honor about a year ago. Reasonably local to me. And now I'm moving obviously to Scarborough, so you know, it was a bit of a no-brainer to do something with Honor. Plus he does all the heavy lifting, moving stuff around, which is always a bit of a bonus for someone with my bad back. Yeah, looking forward to it. Be a steep learning curve being with someone, and you know, not in a conjugal kind of relationship way, but in a but in a purely platonic and work format. So we've got a lot of lighting to put up. I'm just bringing those in now, along with this timber toolman Taylor chop saws and wood stands. And he's going to be doing a bit of work in here over the weekend with myself. So far, itinerary looks like we're going to be painting, fitting a couple of kilns in. We've got an even heat and a Paragon kiln, and putting some LED lights on top, just to give it a bit more of a less sparse feeling. Plus, we've got a load of painting to do around it, around the whole unit. It was a blacksmith's forge previously, so it's a bit great, to say the least.
How do you feel about losing this war?
I feel like it's not just myself I've let down, but my family.
The champion shelf. Right, I'm at the unit now and I'm just waiting for Luke to arrive. I wish I hadn't looked for it. I'm at the unit now and I'm just waiting for Luke to arrive.
Hiya!